start adjoint of a matrix. Let A be Aij of order n cross n, be a square matrix of order greater than or equal to 2. Then the adjoint of matrix A is the matrix of transpose of the cofactors of the elements Aij in determinant A. This is denoted by adjoint of A. I repeat again, if Aij be a square matrix of order greater than or equal to 2, then the adjoint of matrix A is the matrix of transpose of the cofactors of the elements Aij in the determinant A. This is denoted by adjoint of A. For example, let A be the square matrix of order 2 by 2, that is 3 by 3, 5, minus 1, 7. Then its determinant value is determined as 3 into 7 minus 1 into 5. On simplification, we get 21 plus 5, that is 26. Now, as we have defined that the adjoint is the matrix of cofactors transpose, will give us the value of adjoint of A. So, the adjoint of A is the matrix of cofactor, that is A11, A12, A21, A22 and its transpose. On simplification, we get the matrix of cofactors as 7, 1, minus 5, 3. And its transpose, by interchanging its rows and columns, we get 7, minus 5, 1, 3. And that is the value of the adjoint of A. Some important results related to adjoint, that if A be the square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into identity matrix is equals to adjoint of A into A. Then second is, if A be the square matrix of order n, then the determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. For example, if A be the square matrix of order 3 by 3, then the adjoint of A determinant will be equal to determinant of A to the power 2. Because the n is 3 here, so this is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now come to the singular matrix. A matrix A is said to be singular if and only if the value of its determinant is 0. Or we can say the matrix is said to be non-singular if and only if the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Then come to the inverse of a matrix. The inverse of a square matrix of order n exists if and only if this is non-singular, that is, the value determinant should not equal to 0. And this is defined as A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Some results related to inverse of matrix, that A into B inverse, that is equals to B inverse A inverse. Second one, the inverse of inverse, that is A inverse inverse is equals to A. Third, A dash inverse is equals to A inverse dash, means the inverse of transpose is equals to the transpose of inverse.